Okay, acting kejuga ndamienjetie when still young. Ndi thukuru. Drama tu twekaga thukuru uguo ndatwikaga involved. Tonini uguo. Ngigicoka ria ndakirikirie thukuru na gikianjia kuhaso ni hindi mundu abai go face the reality of life.
Yes.
Ni koragwo gietha haria ungionera ki kaundu. He kande imwe yari murata na twathomaga nayo ya manejire guka na guku thieta a year before ne kioyo ni thieta etagwo Visions. Yo ko uri na muiritu ungi nake wari hono ari bishte nake ni ngirite ya guy etagwo ya Planet Theatre.
Sasa bugo umepiga Planet pia?
Maset books nimechapa sana.
Planet
nimechapa na Planets, Vision nimechapa na zingine.
Okay.
Ni Blueprint na zingine. Gerigereria nege yari athi kana go niko ndaturire matu ngiuga I'm done with set books or literature to dona unijekete muno na fasihi simulizi. So turi ku ni ndakihorira round after kuingira ngiamba cassette books these traveling theaters
mahoragira everywhere.
Ni thiete Githumo. Ni thiete Kakamega.
Okay.
Ukamba ini ndorite kuo thiete Miru. Ona kodo think itaumire nginyete no akakorda Turukana na Mombatha no kuita twarirwo ni acting ya nyamu icio but nimeenda places mingi sana for a period of like 4 years.
Haya.
Yes. Giuka genogio ni icio ngiambia gwika fasihi simulizi. Group no tekana nayo fasihi simulizi ri tuyoka kurikereria ri niho kwagire na rumors ati ni kurahingurwo Inoro. Ona rumors ino Inoro ya jiari ugituika andu no makethe no mathake to thinema riu uria wari ndake munene witu ri hena andu aine nao na he mutumia wendaga gushuti thinema ici no ari muikamba riu akiorganize twiku otugishuti twiku sayari ri etagwo sayari twiku sayari ntwambite tugathaka thinema ta igiri uguo but tugitukania languages no itutie more about how to do cinematography na kimo tutamacio. So yageria gutoro kundu yo gitwika ndingethie ciari thinema igiri cietagwo Beta Hub 1 and 2. Tukiuma hau riu nirio etirwo monani na mutumia ucio muikamba akimwira mwethere actors. Tugithaka thinema yari ho na andu ta muthuri wetagwo Kiere ndaturaga nyonaga magithaka na Machangi nao tukariga tunya mutwe twari ho twari twega muno mundurume ni mugambo ndio kana urikane thinema yo niwe mathakite na Machangi ya mundurume ni mugambo iria Machangi akoragwo akihurwo ni warigia ikarirwo nona kirete icio. Sasa huyu jamaa tulioka tukicemania nao kuria twacemania nao kuria ri tugithaka thinema yo. Unfortunately in our area it was the second movie to be played. Nona so ni play ile part aya twacemania nao guku na andu angi matona makianjia gutwetha tukiamba tukiona wira ungi wako dub nyamu icio Kikuyu Nigeria guku kiria Royal Media na icio ni twacieka muno Kikuyu Nigeria movies hizo nikio juga ni Ndigeruma Royal Media.
We na susu ni muri agite BSSK Macharia.
Ni Ndigeruma Royal Media.
Wada kuonire ona ni wada monire Kameme the first time onire kush.
Tuyuka kurikia nyamu icio ri cia kudibu ku ri etiho Kameme na iroka kuhingurwo indu kurikana Kameme yabite Inoro yabite kuhingurwo like 2 years before niho ifidita cia Katerina tuiretu ciari kuo mbere ya kina ereno ya idagaria na yukite na micini ndogo baadaye nona turi okuria ni twacemanire na producer ungi wa movie hedio movie tiari nyingi na kenya kuretwa hayo contract kore oguku Royal Media Inoro riu na tugithaka thinema ciari nyingi. The good thing about that time gutire na producers aingi. I think they were just like between 12 and 15 productions kwa ni mahotaga guthakirwo thinema ta igiri mweri nona na tugithaka thinema cigana ona producer ungi nake mwega muno etagwo Kapo wake nyona Mukorino akijita tugithi tugikara thi ngithie gwake riu ndigwa gwa Kapo na guku ri twina Edu jamu yathakaga etagwo atia etagwo athakage Mwangi uri wari bishte Maish uri athakage bishte ya Mureo
Maish
hindi mweri agitroka extra kuria kiri hapa kule news akijita tonire riothe mundu ungi umwe tugithi tukihura show njega muno immediate atwarirwo rũtiko-inĩ kwa rũtiko rĩhũ icio tũkĩingĩrio The Real House Help kũndũ kũu ndahũra like 2 seasons.
Oh.
Rĩu hĩndĩ ĩyo rĩ no rĩo nayo kĩrĩa Kameme yoka kwambia gwĩkora kwĩ establish group nayo tũkoragwo nayo kũrĩa tũrekaga dubbing nayo kũrĩa rĩ now so hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩrĩo nayo Kameme yanjirie gwĩka ũrĩa twĩkũrĩa Real House Help hĩndĩ ĩyo no ndĩreka Central Cinema iyo time nimezichapa kabisa.
Yes.
Na ngĩtuĩka rĩtwa rĩega biũ gwĩ Central Cinema nĩrĩo Kameme nayo yahingũrwo tũkĩanjia gĩbindi gĩtagwo Mbugi Matũ.
Oh.
Mbugi Matũ nayo twacukuma for 2 good years. Yarĩ gĩbindi kĩarĩ kĩega mũno very Kameme.
Oh.
Eni. Still have done some other stations lao imwe aditindanagĩra tondũ na kũmwe tũtiarĩhirwo. Eni. Rĩu igathaga rĩgĩyo karĩa happen. Ithaga rĩga kũhappen rĩ. Ndugu no twathondekete na mũndũ gwĩtwo Edu. Na jamaa arĩa twamitire nao kũrĩa The Real House Help play. Jamaa ũmwe kũu no ũkuona audition iyo ĩkĩrĩtwo handũ agatũtũmĩra. Ni ona tũtibangane na Edu ni twacoka kwaria baadaye. Edu akĩnjĩra nyuma kuoi. Edu ndokĩte anga mũthenya wa mbere ni ndathire mũthenya wa mbere na ngĩthiĩ ngĩ audition. Na ngĩkora kwĩna andũ aingĩ ũkũihũrĩte.
Mo audition nagira ku?
Ha matha indo icutagĩrwo.
Oh ya sukari.
Ha sukari. Twarĩ andũ aingĩ kũihũrĩte ũũ. Tũkĩgĩthiĩ tũkĩ audition and by good luck na ngĩkĩona space atũkĩmeet nginya first meeting na kĩ na rĩu kuma hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩyanjirie good to go.
Ridru ya mbere twarĩ nawe no nyonire.
Ndĩrarĩ na wokire.
Ona Lois akĩrĩ kuo. Ona agĩciarwo nĩ aciareirwo.
Nĩ warĩ mũcerere tu wokire ũcereirwo.
So tũgĩkĩanjĩria hau but my role yarĩ ile unakuja once unakaa so andũ maticiria ati ngoragwo ithaga message gĩtagwo the extra but ndarĩkuo from the minute go
from day one.
Ni na nĩndirikana after first part of auditions twekire wege twina Edijo na tũgĩkĩhoyo ithuerĩ na ngĩgĩkena twaicoka tũgĩkorana kũu ũguo.
Edijo arĩ onake
Kĩmemia.
Atũmire nake kũu nĩ Kĩmemia. Nĩwe wanjigire barabara hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩndirikanaga.
Wow.
So
good memories.
Since then sijai angalia back. Tumesukumana until today.
Unakuwa na tubadi tu vipindi wewe.
Media. Ni kush ginya ndamonaga ndĩgĩcagi. TV ni ndĩgĩcagi. Ikiwa bado hata sijui niko
weka nini. So I also remember there's something had to the TV at Boga Mount Kenya. Na mutodi kutogeria.
Wana korona ndo kogi.
Ya koina.
Kwa Taska Project Film.
Go ni K Project Film.
Tukioiro na tukiwina tukiro ni tuguthie na mbere na undu ucio ndwagithire na mbere.
It never kicked off.
But we won. Karibu was a musician.
Kushun ndio mweni by the way. Na ninete nyimbo hara YouTube. Uambie watu channel yako mali unaweza pata hizo wimbo zako.
YouTube najitaga Karis Goodman kana Karaoke Goodman.
He's a
Karaoke Goodman. Ena ma Goodman.
Yes.
Na nyimbo zaku ni cia muthemboriko.
Muno ni cia mataro ma Ũgĩkũyũ na wendo. I believe there's no energy that surpasses love. Love is the highest energy ũngĩhota ku achieve. Na tutire to understand love nikio tura make us gũkũ na njĩra ciothe. But I know tarĩu nĩtwaragio ũhoro wa a certain man wokire kĩrehe kĩndũ kĩarĩ gĩa bata mũno nĩarĩrĩirie ũhoro wa wendo tũmwĩtaga Yeshua. Yeshua talked about love. Ati rĩathani rĩrĩa rĩritũ mũno na rĩna ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene mũno nĩkĩ? Wendo. Aitwĩra enda Ngai waku na ngoro yaku yothe na maũndũ maku mothe ũcoke wende mũndũ ũcio ũngĩ o ta ũrĩa wĩkĩte atĩa
Wendete.
I know love nĩyo energy ĩrĩa nene mũno. We talk of energies from individuality tũgakora duality and the Christo energy. Christo energy no nginya ikorwo hĩtũkĩte duality. You don't judge. Yes.
Thank you muno. Haya, about your character. Tiga musara ri. Nikiwendete muno about your character. Wona schedule ni ati wathi go shoot. Well bus inaenda kuwa. Nikikiu.
I would say about my character apart from kinya bina kiritendete ni hakuhurwo makofi. It has never been fun. Ni Kareni. Hey, Karen ya gita mako. It has never been fun. Ona ini wana huru.
Yeah, maroheri bodu ana huru ko nani ana.
We don't fake.
Every fight that you see there it's
ino menya ni hedi na iyo episode nili trend iyo weekend hedi Karen ahurire ruhi ende yori no ndari waiter no kimeru kiuria aumire waiter agitweka mwana wa digu wake adia matumbe
agicoka waiter
agi supervisor akima supervisor agituka PA yani nimekuwa a lot of characters in one because our character hena no binyo me define
yes, no binyo me
define afati gukoro hanatia OP area ko fati gukoro han you know ni hedi Karen ahurire ruhindi na gwera waiter na die na vest theini ruheru waingirire ini da thire na slow motion nyanyi na mereire Karen ni ruheru na kila time nilikuwa naona na kunipiga hemo thinyo ni ahurite mere ni kuna time alienda kunipiga ni dress ile unajua mimi sikuwa najua Karen ni left handed ni dress ni right handed dress yake right
left ni igira
guy mama alinifanyia ile kitu sija so tigare cia Karen ni kikigithuire
haguthura I don't hate that character to ni nyendete the side of this guy ati ni akuhota guikara na thiri ciaku forever and never say anything
yes
no murage no muhihinye tondu dana hinyo ginya ni mapesa akenda ni riski thiri ici but I've never so that loyalty ni koragwo ikiaria match no that thina wa loyalty agithemba kiu ri ni gutuaga ngombo
yes
nona ni the drugs party tashia I love relaxation movie parts saida tona kwa tona kwa tu ini scenes saida tona kwa tu gitengenania mara ntuthire na uko kwalea mara nigutengeririe na guko mara ntwikirie te love action scenes mono
nani wedete kwa act nake seti wewe una other than governor of course mungitida nake
definitely mundu rigeda nyedete kwa act nake ni mundu tu actite nake tayari I think kuna how to vibe gani nawe in terms of comic they can run notice
yes
na ndimukora na kiria scenes most of the time
yes so I love his character sana and he has a lot of potential
thank you
so ni hakwa githaka nawe ni ngenaga mundu ungi ni Ngugi
Mr.
Ngugi is a vibe Ngugi is a vibe
not Ngugi wana Ivasha mwe
Ngugi man ya mukawa
so but I enjoy playing that role na mundu wothe big you got I'm limited to this person no hena le igwa
at least
twina sina kiuria kaundu gaka no nditheka this guy is fun having around
take serious lazima
twina tugiti kusemani na Karen ile it will take us like 30 minutes not enough about 15 minutes I enjoy shooting with this guy because it just flows
yes
that is how it is
haya ni character yao ukwiriragiria muno ati ugineyo daika ithano unaua unapiga yote
within idagariene kana
yes within idagariene
well I would say your role and Vin Diesel's one mudogo eto Nick yes
boy
because mimi all along ni kwacha kama bad boy
yes
idagariene ni kudoka guthaka deka mundu kega Magi knows that ni da turagathiaga gacemania na nduka muona ngameno githaka Central Cinemas I used to be bad thing
kwanza na aderu
you know what I mean man I used to be that nigga man you're something you can love man you just hate
let me highlight you little quick man blood
yeah nigga man
talk kizungu man why are you
you tigana na
so those two roles then character mwingine napenda he delivers and he is good but I believe he can do more neno ya mapesa
wow that's a very powerful
of late mapesa amekuwa kiongelelewa sana kwa hii kipindi kuna unyama fulani ameleta akuwa nayo kitambo na big up mzae
that guy is doing good although everyone actually ni utire mundu ikiga haithaga rene jugia tiriri you are weak
but say of late mapesa naua mimi mpaka nashindwa
even Kimemia hata Kimemia kuna vako nakuja ina ni nice sana anaweza ku start you know there's something about like role yangu venye na handle mtu kama governor sio venye nitakuhandle wewe.
Yes.
Na tira guthiko handolea. We I know we are colleagues, we are friendly more. No ni gera ukinyera maundu fulani.
Yes.
So ndirageria uko block but I'm not harsh. Lea tuturato kinyanaga. So heno ria go react. No dakinya he governor heno ria nake go react. Ona. So heno ria go nyihia. I love all that but nini jigwa role yenyewe ni koragwo ihinyiririe kidogo because ninyendaga kindu.
Kuna vitu unafuta.
I don't know kana watumiro script ri no ba kuionera thine me ugithoma.
Yes.
Do you watch it?
Yes. When
Do you watch?
Yes.
Ni unajiwatch lakini saa zingine ikifika pale unapata what is expected from and what you watched maybe
you can do something about it.
Yes. No. But I'm the one who made a mistake. Edimedrika na twari na mundu gwitwo Muriu tugithie go shoot. I brought the comic side of nini kudathi ya kunyitwo ni migwa gayage. Since then Tish ekirire role ya uturo uguo ndikiguoya
wikiguo ni undu watua
something that I did but it was just comic. Ona ni jikuga ni hinyiririe but you just have to give your best.
But I'm very sure Ngai ni aguthie like lazima utazitumia mahali tu kwingine hiyo
that is coming. It's coming and I'm proud. Ni njira Ngai ni ngatho muno mwene nyaga ni undu wa undu umwe twajirie theater turi andu aingi muno hindi ya set books and sijawai kosa kuwa relevant in one way or the other. I might have not achieved kile nyendaga but the best I've so far have come gatho kwe mwene nyaga
niguo
tondu tini ndihete undu ucio
bwana
yes
bwana mabwana where in the creative industry, in the art industry, in the in this small industry of ours, who do you look up to? No we can go on
mainly character ya nyedete muno the overseas.
Kenya
there's a guy I used to like sana. Kuna majama wawili this Meru guy, the tall guy, eta what ya
Kadhabo
Murume
ala kakake
Jasper,
not the comedian. I'm not so much into comedy.
Actor
Meru
Nick Mutuma.
Nice. And Pascal Tokodi. I love those guys' character sana. Kuna vako mi wana wakideliver napenda
kama Pascal Tokodi movie ya nani ndio to ya Bel Mutua ameua makosa ni yangu ameua sana
that guy huyu jamaa anakuanga sawa
ameua.
I love their character Ona overseas hey dina kagurufu kado how they build me okay kuna idea doraga ni watchagi sita motivation ya role yakwa just to challenge myself na hena arigiuga I love this character from Vin Diesel. I like that guy. Dwayne Johnson, that guy is massively good for me. To niathaka kana ukumona omuthu ni athaka the role of a father. Rocio ni that bastard poor guy. Rocio ni komanda kiria kirito taki naona
so mukole wrestling
is versatile
no mukole so
any that guy just like his character Modogne Jason Statham. I like that dude.
Kipara mwenzako.
Yes.
Amandev.
Yes, even when he's not fighting, that guy delivers. Yes.
Na wewe Lois?
Yeah, wadura uko juga adore.
No, asote to ndio daigo ndiari ho.
Bethe ginyona ni Statham mure. Kwanza nimemfollow Instagram. Na warora ginyoria yani uguo mumuonaga hana like that character your face bado inakuanga tu ni yeye iko tu kwa Instagram na post bisha apoza kata asta.
Yes, and actually when I see this guy I see Statham. You have potential.
Nini
Wala tadha.
Nani dikora kwa like ore wangenia wale movie athie kawega but I learned something from each
There are also others like Suleiman Khan, the Indian guy.
Yes,
that guy is potential.
Ni adena wa Korea.
Tena kadegide bado Indian yetagwo Hirithik.
Abuhi.
Abuhi wa India nawe. Korea.
Toigira India ri. China ri. There's some good characters also there.
Like you cannot choose Jackie Chan. Noni dedete Chuck Norris muno.
Chuck Norris. Wadrika ni Bruce Kireta kwa Bruce Willis. Bruce Willis. Ile jamaa ilikuwa inaongeaga. Nane wagenia. Oyo kwedwo kuhihinyo.
Yo washutaga na gitabu eta kwa atia oyo Van Damme
Van Damme was also very good and powerful.
We have legends.
Watokira mutu akina Scott Adkins murito dumenyonaga muno kuhaniria na Van Damme. He's also so good. Billy Blanks. Then there are so many characters tunaweza taja.
There are so many.
They are also good.
Na kuna wengine upcoming hata una watch movie unaona ni kali no adika no drama umenya. But anaji
Haya. There's a time also I remember I used to watch the Nigerian movies kitambo. There was this guy called Jim Ike. I used to like that character. More Mena Ramsey Noah.
Jim Yikes.
Ore wakoragwo hinde ciothe ni ararogwo.
The dark guy yaturagetha kaga bad boy. Yari motivation yako muno. Nende wikira shades muno. I used to like that guy. There was also akina Ezuluanye, Van Vika. So okay, go spot the favorite ray. Ni udume murito muno because
then it depend favorite wanini. Hena area favorite actors kana area makoro mari na delivery in terms of delivery of lines.
Yes.
Delivery of reactions, in terms of moments. Aliyema kuna get on set. Naona. Tata uria Kevin Spacey. Ni actor mwega muno. Niyo iguthaka na he can talk to you na ena kaundu areka haha. So unaona pay attention kwa hiki tunasema at the same time una pay attention kwako na muona. You see So yeah, he's one of my